Knots and hair have a very unique relationship. No matter how nicely you comb your hair, knots still make their way through. Why does this happen is because, of course, your hair gets in touch with the weather and different kind of conditions. Sometimes it is moving because of the wind, and there are basically many reasons because of which knots end up in your hair. We as adults somehow manage to get away with these knots by literally pulling our hair and getting rid of it while combing. But with kids, that's not the case. Today I'm going to share simple tips of removing knots from your kids' hair so that they do not have to go through the session of crying and you would have less burdensome task whilst combing their hair. It will take a little more while than usual, but definitely it is worth all the pain that your kid goes through. So let me take you through the steps of how I comb my daughter's hair. Firstly, I take oil. I take a very small drop of oil. You can take a drop or two and spread it on your kid's hair in this way. See that you have covered off enough of the portion with oil. And then you will just split a small section of hair like this and start by removing the knots with your fingers. Now, the easy way to test if the knot is gone or not is by running a comb through. If the knot is still there, do not continue running the comb. Just loosen up the knot with your finger. I'll show you on the other side. You have to just run your finger through the knot. This is a detangler brush. I will put the link in the description box as to where you can find it. This detangler brush is very useful to remove knots. Now here I am showing you exactly how I am going to get rid of the knot that is there in our hair. Basically, if you find a big knot that is there on a few strands, you will just separate it off with your finger in this way. Do not pull the hair, just do it gently, and you will separate each hair, remove it off from the knot so that it will get separated easily, and then simply you would comb the hair with your finger in this way. The process might be lengthy, but trust me, it is less painful in this way for your kid. And each and every time you feel that the knot is gone, just use the detangler brush on that area, on that section of the hair. Can you see? It moves very easily. The best part about the detangler is it does not pull your hair and leaves it knot free. Here I'll give you some tips. See that you'll do not leave your child's hair open when they are going out. If you'll need to, style it in a braid form so that knots are very less on their hair. And especially when they're sleeping, see that you'll braid their hair. Do not leave it loose because in the morning when you have to brush their hair, it will be very difficult. How did you like the hack? Hope it was useful. Do let me know in the comments section. And for those of y'all who are here for the very first time, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it so that y'all get updates each and every time I post a new video. For those of y'all who have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to get in touch with me on my social media sites. That's all on today's episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on how